who care about their health know that it's extremely important to wash their food products. The process looks really easy. You just have to turn on a faucet and rinse your food, but there are a few nuances that are important to remember. Today's video discusses 7 foods we have been washing incorrectly.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
1. Canned beverages. Canned drink come in handy during hot summer days. A can keeps your beverage cold and makes it even tastier. But don't gulp a can of soda without first washing it or at least wiping the top. You know that all cans usually travel in dusty trucks and people at stores always touch them. By the way, if you have an opportunity, pour the content from the can into a glass. 2. Rice. All type of rice should be rinsed 3 to 4 times before cooking. The main danger hides not in dust but in the starch covering the rice. It's starch that causes the rice to clump together and look unappetizing. It's also recommended to rinse other starchy grains like corn or wheat grains until the water runs clear. 3. Mussels and oysters. You have to wash all sea products in cells thoroughly, even if you buy frozen products, since they can be full of sands and grit. Otherwise, you will be eating all that waste. We don't think you like using sands as a seasoning. 4. Milk and dairy products. It's recommended to wash the packaging of milk, yogurt and other liquid products before opening them. Thousands of customers touch these packs, pick them up and read the information of the labels. As soon as we open the bottle, the bacteria from people who have been previously handled the container can easily get inside. 5. Fish. You don't have to wash raw fish unless you are going to eat it raw. High temperature kills all bacteria, and if you rinse a raw fish, there's the risk of spreading bacteria all around your kitchen. Keep in mind that you should wash your hands, the cutting board, and the knife after cutting. 6. Lettuce. All greens are extremely tasty and healthy, but when preparing lettuce, don't forget to rinse it. To get rid of sand or dirt in the lips, you have to tear your lips lettuce with your own 2 hands and leave it in clean cold water for a few minutes. Then you have to take the lettuce out, put in a colander or a clear kitchen towel and let it dry. Well done. You can enjoy your greens now. 7. Apples. The healthiest fruits are young fruits that don't undergo any special treatment. If you want to eat an apple in winter, for example, you have to wash it. Studies show that if you soak a fruit in water and baking soda for 12 minutes, the majority of the chemicals will be washed away. Do you have your own cooking tips? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.